Do you struggle financially? Don't you just wish you had the money to spend on the things you love? Perhaps a new car somewhere down the line. That might seem like a good idea, but alas, you don't have the money for it. You might blame your lowly job, but that is not the case. It all lies in your savings. In this new video, we will answer everything there is to know about saving money when your income is low. So, what are the many ways in which you can save money? Well, stick around to the end as we answer this question and more as we solve the problems in regards to your finances. Without further ado, let us begin. Chances are you clicked on this video because you needed an answer to your financial woes. Well, let me address your concern right at the beginning. You don't need a crazy salary or a top-notch job to live a simple life. If you go to any slum right now, you will find that many people earn half as much as you right now and are living a happy life. So, how do they do it? Let me explain. Living a happy life on a low income all depends on the perception you have of what an ideal life is. It is good to be optimistic and have dreams of what you want to achieve, but you also must need to be realistic about your financial situation. Suppose you earn around $5,000 a month. You cannot just dream of wanting a Lamborghini, and when you cannot buy it, get all demotivated. You need to be realistic about your dreams. However, I am not saying to completely give up on them. Be patient and work on them, and I am sure you will get there someday. That being said, now we can talk about the many ways one can save money despite earning a low income. First things first, you need to get into the habit of saving. Yes, this might seem a little obvious, but hear me out. Many people have a hard time saving. Despite their financial woes, they tend to spontaneously spend on things they want at the moment, but don't actually need. This results in struggles later on with the things that you actually need. Thus, I cannot stress this enough. Get into a habit of saving. Control the impulse to buy everything you like and spend on the things you need. And that brings us to our second point. How can you control this impulse? Imagine you go shopping and you see so many options. How do you not buy unwanted and unnecessary things? Well, start budgeting. This includes making shopping lists and writing down only the things you absolutely need. The level of budgeting all depends on income in the first place and how much you want to save. But if you find yourself struggling for money at the end of the month, I will highly suggest going for budgeting. The next tactic to save money efficiently would be to open a savings account. And it doesn't just end there, you also need to control your impulse and not touch this savings account, aside from emergencies. Make a goal, perhaps getting your own place at the end of the year, or finally buying a car, or a vacation for you and your family. After you have attained your planned amount of money that you think would be adequate to complete your goal, only then can you access this account. Trust me, this helps a lot. Now, let us talk about the thing I know you're fearing the most. Debt. Yes, I know this is a sour topic. Most people that work with low incomes have debt and ongoing payments that they have to pay. I know it gets annoying sometimes. However, and trust me on this one, you need to pay this as soon as you can. I would even argue that focus the majority of your money on clearing this debt rather than saving. This is because the more you delay the debt to be cleared, the interest will keep on adding up. This will further deplete your finances. Moreover, speaking of debts, you shouldn't engage in payment methods that run the risk of debts and more interest payments. Common example are credit cards. Yes, they might seem like a lifesaver sometimes when you are short on cash, but if you don't manage to pay off the money in time, you will be punished with high interest rates. Thus, given the nature of your low income, I would suggest that you keep away from such payment methods and stick to normal forms of payment. Next, we have something you probably won't like. Well, a high percentage of people that struggle financially tend to spend a lot of time drinking and smoking as a means to tackle their depression or tension caused by the lack of finances. You need to cut this out completely. They cost a lot, and when you are under the influence, you have no control over your spending. Moreover, you waste your time as you could be doing something more productive rather than drinking and smoking. Is to start packing your lunch from home rather than eating outside during your day on your job. This results in unnecessary spending. Why don't you just take the food from your house? Besides saving you some money, it's also way healthier. Moreover, if you can also save money on transport, why waste hundreds of dollars on an Uber when you can walk to your destination? Or if it's too far, ride a bicycle. This not only saves you money, but it also makes you more active and hence healthier. A win-win situation. I know these all must seem like small things, but in the end, these small things will matter a lot. Every dollar and every cent saved counts, folks. If you adopt this approach to your lifestyle, then trust me, you will have so much money you won't even know what to do with it. And despite your low income, I am sure you will be able to chase your goals and live a satisfying and happy life. So good luck with your saving. I hope that answers your questions regarding everything there is to know regarding how to save money when the income is low. I think we have covered everything, but if you have any more questions in mind, do let us know in the comments down below. We value the feedback of our esteemed subscribers, so do not hesitate to do so. That's it for this video. I hope you liked it and enjoyed the video. Please let me know by pressing the like button, and if you haven't done so yet, please subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon for future notifications. Until then, take care of yourself, and I will see you guys in the next one.